This is an S7.7 standard installation. How we install our S7.7 beam, which is the standard ASTM standard beam. Many engineers recommend these. Some do not, but this is our lowest grade, very common investor product that we install. So let me walk you through a little bit of how these are installed correctly. First of all, concrete is broken out at the bottom, dropped to the footer. And then at the top, this is two different types of bracing that we use for these. This is when your floor joists are running parallel with the wall you're trying to brace. And so we've got blocking over 4 floor joists. This is very important. Just walked a job the other day where the braces had blown out, literally blown out, and shot the beam through the center support beam right here, through somebody else's, or through their wall. And it was all because it was improperly braced, with 4 floor joists back, with proper lag bolting, not screws. These are 3/8 inch lag bolts, 3.5 inches long, so they hold up into the floor joists. And then they're properly grouted all the way behind so that there is no movement that wall can make without being supported. And they are spaced a maximum of 6 feet apart. No more than 6 feet. That was also one of the reasons I saw that one blow through, is that they had 7-foot spacings on one side and then 5-foot spacings to the corner, and they completely just blew that beam out. So you can see these. This is the standard installation for our metal angle irons. This is a 1/4 inch angle iron, about 5 inches here and 2.5 inches here to brace those beams in place so that they do not move. And once again, these are broken out with the concrete. We pressurize these with 24,000 pounds of pressure on the bottom, and then we brace them with rebar, concrete it back over. And that is the S7.7.